the Building African Financial Markets Seminar. This is the 6th of the Building African Financial Market Seminars, and it's great to have so many of you coming from all over Africa in order to share. This is a room full of our common passion, which is how do the capital markets fuel the development both of our countries and of our great continent. So this is, if you think about it, this is like a university of capital markets development.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Casablanca. Africa has a date with history. Our continent is for sure evolving amid several current uncertainties, but remains vigorously strong and carries great promises for the world economy.